Hot new, Dumi Masilela murder trial postponed. The trial of 5 men accused of murdering actor Dumi Masilela has failed to get off the ground after it was postponed until October 11. Bongani John Masombuka, Sfundo Harrison Nkosi, Khumbudzo Solomon Mukhuba, Makhubedu and Mashudu Malema appeared in the North Gauteng High Court in Pretoria on charges of murder, robbery, hijacking and kidnapping on Monday. The 5 are accused of being involved in the 2017 botched hijacking in which Dumi was shot. He later died in hospital. Their matter was postponed due to lack of legal representation. Judge W.P. Letsorlo postponed the matter to Thursday to allow the accused time to seek the services of legal aid. Bongani's attorney Chris Botha told the court that he would no longer be representing him as he had not been paid to continue with the trial. "My client wanted to apply for bail in May. At that point I asked for the contents of the docket but received a strange indictment that contained pages that indicated that further investigations needed to be done," Chris told the court. He said he attempted to locate the person assigned to the matter in a bid to acquire the contents of the docket but had not received them. Prosecutor advocate Josie van der Westhuizen told the court that a legal aid representative had been consulted and would appear on behalf of the 5 accused on Thursday.